Hi, I'm Nicole Pace. I'm a licensed clinical social worker, a mediator, and a mental health professional in the collaborative divorce process. And I wanted to talk a little bit about the co-parenting relationship in the collaborative process. When parents are getting divorced, one of the things that they think a lot about and want to pay close attention to is what the needs of the kids are as this process is proceeding. And part of the work of getting divorced is figuring out what that new relationship is going to look like. Is it going to, what kind of rules are we going to have? What kind of chores are we going to share? What kinds of intentional conversations are we going to have with the kids? What information are we going to share together? What's our level of flexibility going to be? These are all things that are different for every family. And part of the collaborative process when working with the coach is to think about those things together, to recognize what your family needs, what your kids will need, and what your new relationship is going to need. Thinking about that together, we believe really does help kids. Because it's going to help them feel more comfortable in the decisions that are being made. It may help them feel like they can get answers when they need them from either parent. And it also helps the parents make sure that the decisions they're making together are ones they can both feel comfortable with. And if they reach a disagreement, whether it's during the process or even after, that they have some knowledge about how they're going to go about resolving that together. And in the collaborative process, we also are still available after the process is over. So if you need someone that you've worked with before to help you think through some co-parenting disagreements, you can still reach out and get some support after the process is over as well. So that's a little bit of thinking about how the co-parenting relationship is addressed and thought about during the collaborative process. Thanks.